Gising pa ba kayo?
Robinson's Place, Pangasinan, back to school, sale up 50% off on a selected items from mall tenants and affiliates until May 31, 2014.
Robinson's Place, Pangasinan invites you to watch 2014 Grand Santa Cruzan and search for Little Miss Wayna Helen on May 30, 4 p.m. here at the activity area.
Zumba Fitness Party every Thursday from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. only here at Robinson's Place. Criteria for judging for the most sensible. Intelligence is 40%. This includes wit, cleverness, open-mindedness, and the knowledge acquisition.
Indulgence is 30%. This includes interest in learning the course and all its aspects.
Attitude is 30%. This includes proper behavior towards every task, assigned, and the relationship to his or her fellow workshoppers. This includes a total of 100%. Criteria for judging for singing only.
50% voice quality, which includes thickness and depthness of voice, diction and pronunciations, harmony and styles, which includes modulation, chest tones, head tones, falsetto, and vibrato.
25% stage performance and deportment. Includes facial expressions, arm works, and blockings, head movements, miking, bowing, and exudes artist-like.
15% choice of piece, which includes suitability to the contestant's forte, weight, originality, and mastery of piece.
10% overall impact includes confidence, costume, and bearing, and entertainment appeal or the X factor for a total of 100%.
Criteria for judging for dancing only. 50% for content and execution, and another 50% for familiarity to the steps and body rhythm. This concludes an overall total of 100%. Good luck, practitioners, and advance congratulations to the parents and relatives of this year's most sensible.
See you all at the recital.
Let's get back to our last 4 practicums. Ladies and gentlemen, what about a big hand to the powerhouse, Daphne?